welcome back on this channel. So today we are back with another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you a new app that can help us get improved speed and secure browsing or surfing the net. So the app is already found on Google App Store. So head over to Google Play Store and search for Maxtano. Maxtano VPN, then you search for it, and among the list you select this one and make sure to install it. So as you install the app, after successful installation, click on open to set up the app. As we open the app, I always ask you to subscribe on this channel, comment where you don't understand, and you share this video to your friends. So when you land in the home screen of the app, you simply need to click on the three lines which are located in the upper right corner of the app, right here. So when you tap on those three lines, you need to click on the update option, and the app will update itself. Then after successful update, you need to select a server or you leave it as it is. And lastly, this app is working worldwide. You need to click on the start button to start this app so that it works as it improves and gives you a secure connection. And that's it for today's video. Kindly you subscribe, comment where you didn't understand. Peace.